Please let me have your attention for a minute or so. Here is a philosophy about how dreams are free, so dream beyond dollars. In the grand scheme of human life, wealth is often perceived as the overriding factor to achieving dreams. However, there exist indomitable spirits who dismiss the cloud of dollars and choose to chase the callings of their heart. Our video Dream Beyond Dollars is a captivating voyage through the lives of such extraordinary individuals. From a starving artist transforming the city walls into beautiful murals, a writer weaving grand tales with vast imagination, a humble gardener cultivating life amidst concrete jungles, to a street musician creating symphonies out of the humdrum of life. These are the tales of passion prevailing over bank balance. In their struggles, the absence of wealth is compensated by an abundance of creativity, resilience, and an unyielding will to dream. Often overlooked, their journey is a testament to the timeless saying, "Money cannot buy happiness." In this journey, they find fulfillment not in monetary riches, but in the wealth of their work and the immense happiness it brings to them and others. Their stories echo the beautiful fact of life that it's absolutely free for human beings to live our limitless dreams, where shadows dance with light and words and melodies change and create reality. A juxtaposed duality resonating in harmony. With words, music, and video a trinity of symphony, a duality the high-def team,